Khmih ya kapawagret. Ikubor ke Bniah. Ka Jingkiew kan sanjong ka Jingkhaii tu ia ki Masi hekeleng ki jaka Khappud ka Meghalaya bat Bangladesh kala Khmih ya ka jing sngokhya ka bajur hakaba ki jingtib bat Khmih ki penpau ya ka Jingkhaii be anya ki Masi naduk ka shitrik u kala lingkot hadu arpoi trik u naitung a hajar apusan layo kurup hadu kumba shi hajar sanspa laipsan teli ki Masi ki basyongdor palat tang arpoin arpundeu klur tingka daki bor pahara. Abajubab ia kini ka Jingkiew ka Bishar Menteri Ketnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ALHEC ula penpau baka sokar kadang penjur ka jing pet ngor Halor kini ka benta. Kawi ka jingtai ka khardop pet kerpang ya ka kot ka khia na ka benta ki Masi ki bawan rung syaga Jylla kala jandep hari Boy District kat baka waipat ha Garu Hills Khmih Lynti bakan Shempor Kamslem.
Duty and responsibility of the government to tackle for any problem to bring solutions. They are doing their own mechanism. They know how to do their duty. They are there in the site. They know to do their duty. This is there in the site only. This is not happening in the state. It is happening in the road. The duty of police is there. The duty of SF is there. The duty of the doctor of veterinary is there. The duty of the custom is there. Everybody, they are into their own duty to accomplish their own responsibility. The government are going to be established to check it, to check the health of any animals who are bringing from outside to the state of Meghalaya. That is one in the Boy district and one is in the Garu Hills district.
Menteri Ketnat Pulih Putih urakam